So, hi everybody, this is Kamaldeep Singh here, and welcome to my channel Kamaldeep Linguist Classes. Today I'm going to represent to that how to make ideas in writing task 1 IELTS. Many of the students like to suffering from the problem like that they don't know how to make ideas, and they're suffering from a problem like this that they're not able to, they don't think they're capable of making ideas. So today I'm going to represent that how we're going to generate the ideas. Basically, actually the ideas will be coming from there actually as you see in my screen here right now. So I have because I having just right some the pattern over there like how to make ideas. Actually, you need to think from a perspective of the following elements that you need to go through these topics over there, as we need to go through that environment, tourism, career, business, because most of the topics are based on these titles, and each and every type of the topic that is connected with some interlinked somewhere else. And because, for example, if the topic is based on environment, so whether it could be on pollution or traffic congestion or plant and animals. So if you want to generate the ideas, for example, if the basic student don't have any just how don't have any basic idea like how to make ideas properly, so he or she need to go through the some of the topics that as I show on my screen here. So the thing is like, for example, let's take a tourism. For example, nobody knows what actually tourism is defines. So in a tourism, like the brotherhood exchange, tourist places in recognition to the host country, so we need to do the research on these type of the terms and topics here actually. So I'm going to show you the whole list here, like environment, tourism, careers, and the most of the task two topics are going to be based on this, and this will help you to generate the ideas. So as I'm showing in my screen right here, like for example, you're getting a topic on the based on like education. So why, for example, why education is so important, and many of the people looking at education online. So do you agree or disagree? So the most basic thing that you need like a concentration and for your future goals, and education's why education is needed, and why education, because the studying online rather than studying offline classes, fine. So you need to think upon that, and according to the pattern of the writing task 2, you need to brainstorm yourself and make the ideas according to it. Okay, so for example, health issues. If you're getting a topic on health issues like obesity, like weak eyesight, so these kind of the health issues will be coming, for example, and also the like a corpulence problem. Corpulence, you getting a unnecessary weight, and maybe corpulence is also the synonym of the obesity, and so this will help you to generate your ideas. Just you all you need to do is work on these topics as I'm going to show you, like as I'm showing in my screen right here, like environment, tourism, career, business, economy, education, parents, infrastructure, brain issues, brain drain, and so health issues. So I have already mentioned in parentheses the supervision neutral families, you need to do research on it. So what actually these term, how these terms are defined, fine. So in the third part, so like in the next is a plan, just make the flow chart. When you plan your ideas, you need to make a flow chart. What actually, for example, you need to make on the flow chart, that's crime. What things are going to be included in crimes here? That is greed increases, maybe drugs or materialistic or selfish. So according to that one, you need to make a flow chart in your mind. Also, you can draw a roughly side by side when you're going to attempt your writing task 2 here. Just make a flow chart, what things are like needed to associate with this one, and according to that, your flow chart is going to be based on it. So the entire body paragraph should be connected, so you would able to balance the cohesion and coherence. Coherence means that is para to para linking. For example, your bp1 bp2 is going to be relate with each other, and cohesion, that is defined to sentence linking. Every second sentence should be the answer of the first sentence, like how, why, so. Whether it's going to be how is problem is defined, you need to answer according to it. Why, you need to define the reason. Just for example, I have shown there. So theme of the body paragraph, like standard of living the people has improved. How has it is improved? You need to define this. They can buy anything. Today's there is a facility of credit card where they can buy the article even if they do not have. You need to define the ideas according to yourself. Like first you need to like develop the reason for this. You need to define the reason. After that, you're going to you need to define the result over there. So like additional advantage you can write, like moreover credit card offers various lucrative schemes like cashback offers, discounts, and one-on-one offers here. People get attracted and purchase an item of their choice. So this is how you can just make your ideas. And also you need to don't forget to include some results and consequences as is, because mostly writing types are defined if you are going to mention your results over there. So like examiner would know about that. So definitely you are just would able to definitely having an idea about it, and you define the result for this, and definitely this will enhance your band scores. And so people get, for example, that is people get attracted and purchase the items of their choice, and with the help of this the word once a luxury have to become a common at most of the people's house. Look at the, you just need to look at the pattern over there. First we need to look at the theme of the body paragraph. This is how we're going to start our body paragraph, right? Actually we need to define the one topic sentence here that defines like what things are we are going to write in our bb1. So as I have like defined over there, like just let me tell you for this one that these things the people has improved. So the people have improved us, like the standard of living of the people has improved. Then the second thing comes how it has improved. Like we need to give the genuine reason for this. So they can buy anything today. There is a facility of credit cards wherein they can buy the article even if they do not have the appropriate amount in their account. So that could be your first advantage. So moreover, second advantage, always start the second advantage with a moreover connector here. And so the credit card offers the various lucrative schemes like cashback, discounts, and offers. So just you need to define the two ideas. You don't need to define the multiple ideas that is maybe wandering through your mind. So and just give the just result why it is happening. So the people get attracted to purchase the item of their choice with the help of this, the item that were once a luxury. So this is how the result is defined. Fine. So I have defined over here. So this is how going to you need to write in task. Need to do that in a BP1, BP2. So thank you for this watching video, and I will be uploading the video like this. So thank you.